Bruh.
Rudy, what happened? Rudy, what happened? Hudson?
Ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
No, you just sit here and say that my daughter looks miserable, so maybe we should put Kalani in her place.
No, I never said that.
Yes, you most certainly did.
No, I didn't, dingbat. Listen, I said, Brooke, is your mother
Get
speaking
your
for you?
finger
Do you
out
want to
of
be
my face. Girls, out the room. Yeah, you would eat me. Get away from me. Out the room. Get away from me. Out the room. Girls, out of the room. Right now.
Really? I needed to.
Go.
Okay.
All right. So you have to get the $5 bill without moving the hand sanitizer
Okay.
or knocking it over.
Gotcha.
And if you can't do it, then I get the $5.
Okay. But I can't do it because that's glued to the $5 bill.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Dude, what are you doing, Ziddy? Oh, yes. Geil.
Choose your character. Fat piece of shit. Fat piece of shit in a different shirt.
That's it. No more options.
Fuck this.
Where are you? Oh my God!
Never say I love you again. Just say,
Good night, baby.
Good night, baby. I love you.
Whoa!
Bring the action.
What you got?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Style Boutique.
Oh, he broke it.
Бля, кепка, ёбаный в рот, на! Ёбаный в рот, бля! You look like you're not so fun. Open up your love and now watch out here. Right on, you spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby, right round, round, round. You spin me. 干不下去的。
Okay, I got this, I got this, yes. I got this, I got this, I got this. Oh, shit. Okay, I got this, I got this, I got this. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, I got this, I got this. Yo, what's up, buddy? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Teamwork makes the dream work. We got this, we got this, we got this. Oh, shit.
Bruh.